Hey, what's up, you guys? Man, today has been a lazy day for me. I can't really say lazy because I be working so much throughout the week and just pretty much all the time, especially making videos. It's work, you guys. But I'm just getting really good up and stirring out of the bed to actually do something. I've been up because you guys know that I posted a video earlier. I had to go upload it. Since it failed uploading on my slow Wi-Fi last night, I had to go to the 5G tower and upload it. But anyway, we're here now, and I'm gonna try and get to Beaver Dam Creek. That's back here behind the house, through the woods, and do a little more work removing some trees out of the creek. But before I do that, you guys, I have a package here. Now, you guys, if you've been watching the farm videos, y'all saw when I opened the package of the things that I had ordered. I got a magnet, I got some of the mounts for the GoPro, and an extender selfie stick, whatever. And so I see this package come this week. And I'm like, did I order anything else? I don't know if I did. I don't remember. But I got a package in the mail. So let's open it and I'm gonna use my scissors because right now I can't locate the knife that I got from Brother Lewis and Sister Rosalita. I know that's bad. I got so much junk strung out everywhere. It's bad. So in order to keep from burning so much time, get out of here, Yellow Jacket. I'm gonna use these scissors and we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what it is, you guys. I have no idea. Like, I have no idea what it is whatsoever. So, and yes, I still got the inner tube there on the tire. I mean, on the workbench. I was about to call it a trampoline. This is not a trampoline, this is a workbench. And the leaves are starting to fall, so our workbench is gonna begin to get very junky like it did when I first started working on the workbench with you guys. Maybe I'll keep it cleaned off. If I start early and blow them before they get wet and stuck together, it'd be easy to keep clean. But y'all know, man, whatever. Let's open this up. Oh, man, what is this? Oh man, look at this. Extreme SD card. Okay, this right here. Oh man. Oh yeah, wait a minute. Can I? No. Man. I don't know who got this for me, but I need the micro SD card. But guess what? I can use this regular size SD card for like recording when I preach on Sundays. Yeah, I certainly can. So don't think that your purchase has been in vain. I was looking at it trying to process what it was because it looked different. But yes, this is the SD card that goes like in the camera that I record with on Sundays to preach. So I can use this. This is beautiful. And the 64 gigabyte and the 107, wow. That's an expensive card right there, you guys. That is an expensive card. So whoever got me this, let me look in here again because y'all know I'll be missing stuff. There's no note in here. I didn't cut it up. Thank you. Like I said, with the GoPro, it uses micro SD cards. Yeah, micro SD cards. This is I don't know what they call this one. This is a size larger than what goes in the GoPro. But yes, indeed, I appreciate you, whoever it was that got me this SD card here. What is this? A memory card case. Okay, so this holds, now that right there looks like the micro SD card right there. Let me open it up. So this is a case. This is a case, I guess, that holds, come on out of there, that holds SD cards. Y'all know I need that. Okay, so it's one for this side, but that right there, this is lovely because I know I got a whole bunch of SD cards, a whole bunch of micro SD. I believe the micro SD card fits in that slot that's on the inside there, and then the bigger one goes right there. So guess what? This right here will come in handy. Thank you, my friend, whoever you are. I don't know who it was. I guess it's like a, what's the word? I can't think of it. A mystery giver. Yeah, a mystery giver. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for this these gifts, yes indeed. So you guys, I need to get my chainsaw out and I need to clean it. That's what I need to do, but I'm running out of time. It's almost about to be 4 o'clock and it's starting to get dark early. I'm gonna check it out and make sure that it has been getting oiled. I know it has because the oil is, I don't know how to close that back right now while I'm talking to you. Because the oil has been running out of it. I'm gonna have to fill it up. So I know it's getting oiled that way, but I wanna just check it out before we go out there. And then we're gonna head on back to the trees, you guys. All right, you guys, I can't believe I'm about to do this. So I got on my regular boots there and I'm about to put these hot behind chest waders around my neck. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna carry the saw with this hand and the brush cutter with this hand. Oh man. Anyway, wowee, wow. Hey, don't be looking at my grass. I need to cut my grass. Yes, it's time to cut my grass again. I know. You know what I'm trying to do? Since it's starting to get cool, I'm trying to wait till it gets cool enough to where when I cut it, I won't have to cut it again. Oh, I hear you talking, Joe. Calling me lazy. I know. It's okay though. I do what I gotta do. But anyway, we are heading in, you guys. And I don't have much daylight because it's already 4 o'clock now and it's starting to get dark earlier, so we're gonna run out of daylight pretty soon if we don't run out of energy first. I don't think we should because, like I said, I've been relaxing most of the day, trying to chill. The body needs rest, I know that. And I was just thinking about Brother Gary, that comment you made on Facebook, praying that I don't injure myself. Hey, I definitely appreciate you guys with all of your concern for me while out here. I'm definitely always being careful, especially with the saw. And then last week when I was moving that huge wood, it looks huge, but it's real light because of the type of wood it is and because it's been dead so long and rotten. I got to be careful going across this bridge. I broke a piece when I was walking across last time on the way back. Ugh. But yeah, that wood, it's nowhere near as heavy as it looks. So as far as me hurt, and I know I probably still could hurt my back with something like that, you know, but I'm being careful. I'm not pushing my limits. I'm not gonna push my limits. I do what I can do, and if I can't do it, oh, I'm tripping, I'll take another route. Boy, I tell you, this is work here. Oh, keep tripping. Go down this little dip, and then it's time to hang a left. Oh boy. And yes, when I was coming out, I cut some of this out because it was badly closed up. Oh boy. Oh, my arms is getting wore out already. The first thing I'm gonna do when I get there, I'm gonna take a break. Oh man. Since we already got it cut out, we got it opened up where we can walk freely. That last time we came through here, it was a mess right through here. So we have arrived. Oh man, wow, wowee, 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 let me unload. Okay, so this piece right here, sort of in the way. The the stump of it with the roots there. I guess we need to try and get that cut up. I guess I might do that today. I sort of want to. That's a big job down there though. That tree down there is a big job too. I guess we'll work on this and try and get this cleaned up, because there's something laying across there that we need to get out of there. So yeah, let's do that, you guys. Yeah, like I was saying, I appreciate all of you guys' tips. I really do. Because I'm not no professional out here. So, you know, all of those tips, they come in handy. They come in handy. Let's get this thing started up. Oh man, I don't even need to cut that right there. Let me get my water gloves. Oh, and guess what? I got a different color for you guys today. Oh yeah, watch this. Oh yeah, I got them gray ones today, you guys. Had the yellow ones last time. Guess what? I still haven't used the red ones yet. The red ones are still fresh in the pack because those are my favorite colors. I want to use them. Well, I had intended to save them for using when I ride the four-wheeler, but anyway. So yeah, I don't want those yet anyway. Let's get some of this wood moved. I don't know, it might be better to cut it because of how long it is. This piece right here, it's so rotten though. I think we can get it, you guys. I didn't know it was that light. Ooh, that was disgusting. That was disgusting. Get off of me. Ugh. Throw it up here with this other pile of mess. This old pile of wood here. Hey, that worked just fine, didn't it? Get this thing opened up some. It's already looking better. Now this is right here is part of the dam. I guess we need the pickaxe for that. Ow, my pants is going so far down and my boots, I'm stepping on it. That don't feel good. But oh, that's deep. Woo, we almost went down, you guys. That's a part of the root there. Yeah, look. Y'all saw that? Did you see that? I'm telling you, this stuff is light. A whole stump moving like that. Are you serious? I was thinking I was gonna struggle with that. Let me see. I think I might cut some of it off of there. So it don't be so much of a struggle. We're gonna cut some of the butt of it off there. Where's the saw at? Let me get the saw. Oh yeah. Of course I told you guys I was gonna check up on it. It was free. It was free when I pulled it out and moved the chain. And there's a tiny bit of rust on the chain, but the bar is not rusty. I sprayed some WD-40 on it. So, and I crunk it up and ran it. So it's free already. We're gonna see how it cuts. Let's see how much that'll help. That'll take some of the weight off of it. Oh, you guys. I think we got it now. Make sure ain't no poison growing in this thing. So I guess that tree was there. That's actually up in the creek bed a little bit, as you can see. But the main water flows over here. I think it was sort of flowing around it because of the dam that was there. It found a new channel. But anyway, I might leave that like that for now, being that it's out of the way. This right here needs some pick action. Yep. So I'm gonna throw it this way. Let me move my brush cutter. All right, so I guess next we'll get this piece right here that I got my gloves on. We'll get that cut up so that it don't try to roll down in the water. Oh yeah. That right there definitely trying to roll back down. That's a piece we threw up here the other day. I figure I probably better get it a good ways away, because if we ever do get a bunch of rain and the creek gets real high, it'll be right there close to it and it'll flush it down the creek somewhere. I'm sort of throwing it in my trail, in my walking way, I meant. That one right there, even though it's not as big around the diameter, it feels like it's a little heavier. it might be a different kind of tree. I was thinking I might could just roll it up there. Now, brother, oh man, I forgot your name. Who was talking about standing downhill. I'm standing downhill in this one. But it ain't. There it go. I'm about to say, it's not big. I can jump over it. And I'm not using the saw right now. But I am about to. I am about to go ahead and cut this one, you guys. Where's the saw at? Because it's got a little weight to it. Let me see. All right, can y'all see better now? Okay, I want to make sure that I was in the picture. Let's see if we can handle that a little more better. I didn't cut it in big pieces because, man, like I said, this joker here, it's got some weight to it. Oh yeah, even that one there. I promise you that right there, that piece that I threw in the last part, that big butt, that piece right there is just as heavy, if not heavier than it. Oh yeah. Whew. Yeah, that was a little bit heavy. I guess I didn't cut that all the way through, huh? I didn't want to run it in the dirt. It should break though. I said should. Here we go. That's all that was holding it. Phew, man, that thing, it's got some weight. I could have cut them smaller. Now it's got me looking like I'm weak now. Oh, I'm a fake, you guys. I'm a fake. I'm gonna have to roll that up. You guys, I'm gonna roll that further up there, but I think I'm gonna let this do. I'm gonna let this do for right here. I'm gonna let this do for right here, you guys. So let's roll that further away. I'm putting it, like I said, where I usually walk at. this right here, this, I think it'll be all right. Y'all hear me? I'm sounding lazy now, ain't I? Is that something right there? And then this right here, y'all see that? You see how long that is? It's rotten though. That's why I can do that. I think we're done here for now, you guys. Let's go up the creek. So before we leave from down here, we get a look at it. I'll give you a panning type of view. So we got that out of the way. And there's obviously something that way that's restricting some of the flow, especially how dry it was up that way. Probably because the creek, I'm looking down there, the creek bed is higher with dirt. But anyway, it's opened up now, you guys. We got the tree out of the way here, and we're gonna move on up the creek. All right, now I got on my gray gloves, you guys. We're gonna cut our way that way, okay? A weed eater would be better here than this. This is a weed eater, but I meant the weed eater head. Oh man. I ain't trying to clean it all the way up. That's a big pile of wood there from where I cleared out that dam. And that's perfect for snakes, you guys. That is perfect for snakes. Wow, I don't remember it being this big. Wow! Let me let me try and go around. I didn't do that right. Wow, man. This is so grown up, you guys. seriously need the weed eater head. Wow, man. It's sort of a hassle. If it was more stuff like this right here, this blade would be better, but man, this... Oh man, I don't know how many of you guys used to walk through here with me, but wow, wow, wow. Work. My forearm. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh man, that's why I don't be running this thing wide open. I be milking it. I milk it so that if it hits something, it won't have the full impact of hitting something and jarring it. Man, I'm about to be wild. You guys, I need a break. I ain't gonna lie, that right there. That right there, wow. Yeah, so we knew that this was here because it always looked junky and messy, that trash there. But man, I still got a lot more to cut around here before I can really like see what I'm doing around here, man. Like I said, I need the weed eater end on here, because that weed eater end, it'll cut a whole lot more than mulch it up too. You know, chop it up into fine pieces. Look at this. Y'all remember, I mean, we used to walk all through here. But whenever the winter time comes, that stuff is gonna die and it's gonna lay down. I wanted to walk that way and see what the other dams this way look like. There was one there that I dug out with the backhoe, and then one a little higher up that I dug out with the backhoe. We checked that out when we was picking that cornfield over there, and then it makes a Y. And if you go that way, is the monstrous beaver dam. We ain't been to that one in a while, or Mother Beaver Dam #1, but oh, I hate to even see what it looked like trying to get to it. Even though if we was to walk in the water, that would probably be our easiest route. But wow, I wasn't expecting all this. It's gonna be work trying to get cleaned up with this brush cutter here. So you guys, I'm gonna, I guess, have to wrap up this part 3, man. And I ain't leaving you on the cliff this time. Oh wow, so we're gonna have to work on, wow, cleaning this stuff up. I don't, ugh. Oh man, anyway, hope you guys enjoying watching that part. there's a whole lot more work to do, as we can see. So I guess you have to check back in for part 4, you guys. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.